How would you like to increase your sales every single day and add more cash to your bottom line using a simple technique called the Nibble? This is Wayne Sutton, prosperwithwayne.com. Thanks for jumping on board. I want to talk to you about the Nibble. You've been nibbled on all your life. You will continue to be. And if you apply this to your business, listen, it's simple. It's something so simple you can do it today. You'll see more and more and more. Now, there's a couple of examples. Number one, I pulled up at Dunkin' Donuts and got myself a coffee, and their question was, hey, would you like a turbo shot, which is just another shot of espresso? And of course I said, who wouldn't? Yeah, give me a turbo shot. Boom, 99 cents. 99 cents to them, and it cost them very little. It cost me $1, but made me feel good. So, a 99-cent nibble. And then they said, hey, by the way, would you like a donut with that? Now, I don't think so. I don't think so. But hey, listen, they still nibbled. They got the 99 cent. Now, hundreds of cars go through there every single morning, through the drive-thru. Hundreds of people go inside the store. I know some of their numbers. I do a lot of business there. So out of hundreds, if they just get that $1 upsell on every 20 cars, they could add hundreds of dollars to their bottom line every day. So they literally, think about this, they literally could pay for the employee. If that employee is at $10 an hour, $9 an hour, I don't know, if they were, $12 an hour, if they were to sell one of those every 10 cars or so, they could literally pay for that employee. It's called a nibble. Just add in a little bit to it. Now, we're in Mexico, so we're in Mexico, and me and my wife, we're at one of the street vendors, and we're buying something, and so we're negotiating. It's negotiate. So we walk away. They come back. This is going on for about 30, 45 minutes, and we finally come to a number. He says, no, can't do it. Let's walk away. I'm not fine. We'll walk away. And he's like, okay. So you gotta love negotiation. We're gonna talk about that a lot soon. So we come to the number that I was comfortable with, but then came the nibble. He said, listen, my manager, gonna be really upset. I sold it at this price. No, I don't believe that. But would you help us with the tip? Can you do $5 tip? $5 tip. But you know what? I gave a $2 tip. I didn't give the $5. I gave a $2 tip. Now what was that? That was a nibble. We'd already come to a price that he made a profit. I got the little, the little dolls that my daughters would love. We negotiated, but the nibble was the extra $2. Again, this is a street vendor with lots of people, lots of tourists coming through. How many nibbles does it take to get $2, $5, and add to the bottom line? Now you're thinking, Wayne, big deal. What's $1? What's $2? Would you like fries with that at McDonald's? What does that really mean? Let's take it to your business. What is your business? Maybe you're negotiating. Maybe you're a real estate investor and you're negotiating with someone over a property. And you're at $200,000, you come down to $150,000. Whatever you're doing, you're negotiating the deal right at the end of the deal. Here's the time to do the nibble, when the transaction is complete. So when I said I want this coffee, that transaction is complete. Would you like anything else? No. Would you like to add a turbo shot? Sure. This is the price for the little dolls here at the street vendor. Here's our price. Would you mind a $5 tip? No, but I'll give you $2. So a nibble is at the completion of the deal. You see this a lot if you do anything on internet marketing. It's a one-time offer. Hey, thank you for buying this book. This book was $10 or $20, whatever. Hey, by the way, would you like the audiobook? Would you like the audiobook? Now, what's the audiobook do? The audiobook, number one, is no more cost to send the audiobook, but it gives them more value. They can listen to it immediately while they're waiting for the book to be mailed. Very important. So, a one-time nibble. Hey, thank you for your order, by the way. So recently I invested in this program. It was $997. $997, I pulled out my credit card, I ordered it. Thank you, here pops a video on the thank you page with download instructions. By the way, thank you for your order. By the way, would you like this extra little course? Now remember, the transaction is complete. They've got my $1,000. Would you like this extra little course just for this topic? And the topic happened to be something in real estate investing, which I was interested in. I'm like, wow, I can see how this would work. Okay, and listen, I didn't have to pull out my credit card again. Just click this button, will add it to your order. Bam, $500 more came into his account. $500 more went out of my bank account into the guy that I bought his course. So it was a quick nibble, quick upsell. Then guess what? They nibbled me again. I didn't get the second one, but the fact is they made $500 by one click. Now, they sold $1 million worth of that course, and they have, and only 20% bought the upsell. Okay, how much money did they make? I'll let you do the math. It's a lot. So my point is, what nibble can you add to the end of the transaction? If you're a chiropractor and the person is paid, the person is that you've cracked, pop, adjusted, and they're paying, what can you offer? Is there a nutritional supplement? Is there another care package? What is there a massage, acupressure, acupuncture? What is it that you can sell at the end of the transaction? Not in the beginning, at the end of the transaction. That you can just another nibble that brings value to the people, but they also can get something back out of it. I want you to think about this. What is the nibble that you can bring at the end of the transaction? Here's the key about a nibble. Number one, I don't like that, hey, we want to give me a $5 tip. Not really a fan of that. However, I have an outsourcer that does a lot of my digital graphics and so forth, and guess what? They just did some website work for me. I sent them a tip. So there is a place for that. But what I really want to do is find something that's going to bring them more value. So they just invested $500, $1,000, $20,000, $5, whatever it is invested. Now, how can we bring something of value? Because once somebody's made a purchasing decision, that is the best time to get them to make another purchasing decision if it's in the same area. So, lots more of this will be covered in other trainings. Also, if you haven't picked up our free book, go to lifecoachlifestyle.com, lifecoachlifestyle.com, pick up the book, and be sure to read it. Get in touch with us. How to become a six-figure life coach. And if you are already a coach, maybe you're a coach, you just need more business. Maybe you want to get to that $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. Then also pick up the book also, lifecoachlifestyle.com. Give me a call, 910-233-2511. I'm a real person. I answer my phone. I look forward to helping you. This is Wayne Sutton, Prosper with Wayne. God bless.